Generative AI is everywhere, and the currency in usage of Gen AI is measured in tokens. But what is a token? What do they do? And why are they important? If you want answers to these questions, then this video is for you. A token in the world of AI is the smallest unit of measurement that's processed by a generative AI model. When a new generative AI model is trained, we feed it all sorts of data. This data could be text, images, or audio. As the model is trained, it starts to pick up on patterns in the data. This could be words in text, groups of pixels in an image, or waveforms in an audio file. The team training the generative AI model decides that they want the patterns that get memorized to be big, small, or somewhere in between. Once a Gen AI model is trained, it stores all its known patterns in what's called a vocabulary for large language models, or a cookbook for image and audio generation models. And another name we give these patterns that Gen AI models recognize is called tokens. When an AI model is in use, it's given a set of input tokens, and then it refers to its knowledge base, and based on how these input tokens relate to one another, it'll try to make its most probable guess on what the desired output is in tokens. The input and output tokens are then counted, which is used to measure the usage of the AI model. And this token usage is used to determine cost for generative AI models. The more tokens you use for a particular model, the more you pay. I hope this explanation on generative AI tokens was valuable. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. And if you missed my 1-minute overview video on the best platform to get started with generative AI, you can find that here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.